Are you dreaming of starting a trucking company in sunny California? Well, you're in the right place. Let's roll through some essential steps to get your business on the road. First things first, you need a solid business plan. Think of it as your roadmap. What routes will your trucks take? Who are your potential clients? And what's your budget? Answering these questions will set you on the right path. Then there's the paperwork. The delightful world of paperwork. You'll need to register your business, get a USDOT number, and a motor carrier authority, among other things. Trust me, it's a lot to handle. That's why Moving Authority is your best buddy in this journey. We make it a breeze to tackle these complex tasks so you can focus on hitting the highway. Before you even start your engines, it's smart to check all the California-specific requirements for trucking businesses. The state has strict environmental and emission standards that every commercial vehicle must meet. From obtaining your CA number and motor carrier permit to registering with the Unified Carrier Registration UCR system, compliance ensures that you stay on the right side of the law and avoid costly fines down the road. Don't forget about insurance. It's like your truck's safety net, protecting against unexpected bumps in the road. And in California, it's not just a good idea, it's the law. Make sure you've got the right coverage before you fire up those engines. Now let's talk gear. Invest in reliable trucks and equipment. Whether you're buying new or used, reliability is key. After all, your business depends on keeping those wheels turning smoothly. And speaking of smooth, hiring the right team is crucial. Your drivers are the heart of your operations. Finding dedicated, experienced drivers will keep your business running like a well-oiled machine. Once you're rolling, keep an eye on expenses. Fuel, maintenance, and tolls can add up quicker than you think. Keeping a tight grip on costs will keep your business on the fast track to success. Finally, remember that the trucking industry is all about adapting. Stay updated on regulations and market trends. California might throw a curveball your way, but with a little agility, you'll navigate just fine. And there you have it. Starting a trucking company in California is no small feat, but with a bit of planning and a lot of passion, you're on the road to success. If you need help with the nitty-gritty details, Moving Authority is here to steer you in the right direction. Visit us at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. So what are you waiting for? Let's get your trucking dreams moving.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.